Hello children, hope you all are fine. As in the previous video, you have learnt about direct and indirect speech, and you have also learnt that how to change direct speech into indirect speech. So in this video, I am going to extend that topic. Today, you are going to learn about special rules. So you must be wondering that what are these special rules? The rules which are different for different kinds of sentences are called special rules. For changing direct speech into indirect speech, it is necessary to know that what kinds of sentences have been used inside the inverted commas. It is nearly impossible to change into indirect speech without recognizing the sentences inside the inverted commas. So it is necessary to know about the sentences. As you already know that we have assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentences. So different special rules are used in each type of sentences. So our first type of sentence is assertive sentence. This one I have already taught you in the previous video. So just go through it once again. Okay, and we will start with our interrogative sentences. You know very well that a sentence which asks a question is called interrogative sentence. When we convert an interrogative sentence from direct to indirect speech, we make the following changes. First, the interrogative form of the verb changes to the affirmative form. Next, the inverted commas and the question mark are omitted. And the last one is the reported verb said is generally changed into verbs like asked, demanded and inquired. So whenever we convert an interrogative sentence from direct to indirect speech, our first task is to find out whether the given question is WH question or yes or no question. First of all, we will see WH question type. Okay. The questions beginning with the words like what, when, where and how are referred to as WH question. When such questions are changed into indirect speech, the word order remains same as that of the statement, but the subject is placed before the verb. Let us take one example. Pooja said to me, "Where is my cell phone?" Here the given statement is WH question. Okay, so first thing we will do is identifying the necessary things. So here the reporting verb is said to. So as this interrogative sentence, so said to will be changed into asked. Okay. Next is identifying the tense. Here the tense of the given sentence is present tense. So it will be changed into past tense when we change into indirect speech. So here is will be changed into was. And here we find my. My will change according to the subject, that is Pooja. So here my will be changed into her. So we have done all the necessary changes, and as we have learned that the word order will remain same as that of the statement, only we will change that subject will be placed before the verb. So let us write our answer. Pooja asked me, here where is used, so we will write where. Then here we will write her cell phone was. So here now subject is placed before the verb, that is was. Let us take one more example. Father said to her, "What is the matter?" So here also we will follow the same steps. Said to, that is reporting verb, will be changed into asked. Okay. Here the given sentence is in the present tense. So here is will be changed into was. So the answer will be like this. Father asked her what the matter was. I hope you have got the clear idea about how to change WH question in direct speech into indirect speech. Now let us see yes or no question. So questions beginning with the helping verbs such as am, is, are, was, were, has, have or had are called yes or no question. Such questions are changed into indirect speech using words such as whether or if. Also the reporting verb said is replaced with inquired or asked. Let us take one example. Rajesh said, "Is everyone present?" So the given statement is yes or no question. So we will use whether or if to remove the inverted commas. So here first thing is to identify the reporting verb. Here reporting verb is said, so it will be changed into inquired or asked. Okay. After that we will use if, and the tense of the given sentence is present tense, so is will be changed into was. Okay. So the sentence will be Rajesh inquired if everyone was present. So like this we change yes or no question into indirect speech. Let us take one more example of yes or no question. Mother said to Sonali, have you finished your breakfast? So here at first we will change the reporting verb. So said will be changed into asked, and after that we will use whether or if to remove the inverted commas. As the tense of the sentence is present perfect tense, so it will be changed into past perfect tense. So here have will be changed into had. The sentence in the indirect speech will be like this. Mother asked Sonali whether she had finished her breakfast. So children, I hope you have understood how to change interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Now let us learn to change imperative sentence into indirect speech. You know that a sentence which expresses a command, order, request, advice or suggestion is called an imperative sentence. When we convert an imperative sentence from direct to indirect speech, we make the following changes. The first one is changing the reporting verb. Okay, if the sentence is a command, then we can change the reporting verb as order, command and tell. And if it is a request, then we can write plead, beg, request, ask, implore. And if it is an advice, then we can say that warn, advise, suggest, forbid, urge. So in this way we are going to change the reporting verb. Okay. Next one is the verb of the reporting speech is changed into an infinitive. That is to plus base form of the verb. Here one more point is there to remember that we do not use a conjunction to introduce the reported speech. Let us take the example sentences. Urvashi said to him, open the door. As the given statement is a command, so we can use here order, command or tell as reporting verb. So here first we will change said to, that is reporting verb, into ordered. Here we can write Urvashi ordered him. Next step is changing the verb of the reported speech into an infinitive, that is to plus base form of the verb. Here the verb is open. So it will become to open. So the sentence in the indirect speech will be like this. Urvashi ordered him to open the door. Changing the imperative sentences into indirect speech is pretty much easier as compared to different types of sentences, because here you just need to add to in front of the verb given. Okay, let us see one more example. Okay. The head girl told the class, don't make noise. So here the given sentence is also a command. So here we will change told into commanded. So it will be like this. The head girl commanded the class. But see here, don't make noise. Here negative word is there. So whenever you find such type of words, we will use not in front of infinitive. So it will be like this, not to make. So the sentence in the indirect speech will be like this. The head girl commanded the class not to make noise. So children, I hope you have understood how to change imperative sentences into indirect speech. So the next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. You know very well that a sentence which expresses a sudden emotion is called an exclamatory sentence. So when we convert an exclamatory sentence from direct to indirect speech, we make the following changes. The first one is the exclamatory sentence is changed into an assertive one. Next, the reporting verb said is changed into exclaim with joy, sorrow, delight, anger, fear, surprise, admiration. All these are dependent on the emotion it expresses. Next is the conjunction that is used to introduce the reported speech. The fourth one is all exclamations and interjections are left out. Their sense is conveyed by using adverbs or adverbial clause. The last is the sentence which are incomplete or express sudden feelings are changed into full sentences. Let us see example sentences. Mira said, "Alas, I am exhausted." So the given statement is exclamatory sentence and it is expressing sorrow. So here said can be changed into exclaimed with sorrow. So it will be like this. Mira exclaimed with sorrow. Then we have to use the conjunction that to remove the inverted commas. So we will write Mira exclaimed with sorrow that. So the given statement is alas, I am exhausted. So here alas, which is an interjection, we will remove this one. So the left out words are I am exhausted. So here tense of the sentence is present tense, so it will change into past tense in the indirect speech. So accordingly am will be changed into was. Okay, so here I is there, that is first person pronoun. It will change according to the subject, that is Mira. So it will become she. So the sentence will be like this. She was exhausted. So let us write our answer. Mira exclaimed with sorrow that she was exhausted. So in this way we will change exclamatory sentence into indirect speech. So children, I hope you have understood how to change different types of sentences into indirect speech. Thank you children. Have a nice day.